Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 running the Android 11 One UI 3.0 beta. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you all this really cool application that has some really awesome features. This application works well with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 because it does have S Pen support as well. It will also work with any other Samsung device, but it works a lot better with the Note 10 simply because the Note 10 has the S Pen and this application supports it. So the application is called Gesture Magic. And this application, you can use it to open applications, control settings, make phone calls, and send text simply by writing a gesture on your home screen display. So I'm going to install it and show you how it works. But first of all, I'm going to show you how to set it up. So just open it up once it's finished downloading, and then just allow it the permissions. And then you're going to scroll down and look for the application. So here it is, Gesture Magic. So just turn that little toggle switch on just so that you can apply the overlay on top of the display. Okay, so up here you're just going to go to the settings and enable the float button to the edge of the screen. Okay, so here's the float button. I don't know if you can all see it. It's a round circular button. There it is. Okay, so let's go back into the application now, and I'm going to set everything up and show you how it works. So here's the layout. We have open applications, switch system settings, open internet address, lock screen, open recent task, quick call, quick SMS. I'm not going to go through them all. I don't want to make the video too long, but I'm going to go through the ones that I use. So let's start with open application. Okay, so here you will see a list of all your applications. Okay, so let's start with Netflix. So if you want to use a gesture to open the next Netflix application, all you would simply do is just write N, and you have to write it 3 times just so that it registers, and then hit done. So now on the home screen here, just tap the little floating button there and then simply write N, and bam, it's as easy as that. It launches Netflix. So instead of having to go into your app drawer to search for the Netflix application, it just helps save a little time. Okay, let's go again. So open application. Okay, so if you're like me and you like to play games, you can add your favorite games. So for example, I like to play a lot of PUBG. So I would write P for PUBG, and then hit next, P again, hit next, P again, and then hit done. So now on the home screen, select the little floating button there and just write P, and bam, it opens up PUBG. So you can start playing straight away. So like I says, it just kills a little bit of time. It saves you time having to go through your apps and look for the PUBG game. You can just type it in right there and it launches. Okay, let's add another application. So Call of Duty, I would type C, write C again, and then done. Press the little floating button there, and on the home screen, just write C. And as you can see, it takes me straight in to Call of Duty. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so switch system settings. So if I want to turn off or on the GPS or Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, any one of these, for example, Wi-Fi, I would just write W for Wi-Fi, W for Wi-Fi. Okay, so at the moment my Wi-Fi is on, as you can see there. And as you can see now, the Wi-Fi is off. And if I want to turn it back on, as you can see, it's come back on. Okay, let's go to quick call. So let's just say I want to call Alan. I can add him as a shortcut gesture. Basically, I'm putting him on speed dial. So I would write A for Alan. And now on the home screen there, just write A for Alan. And as you can see, I am now dialing Alan. Okay, so let's go back into the application there. And let's try quick SMS. So Alan again, I want to add Alan as one of my contacts to send an SMS message to by using the gesture. So A again. And going back on the home screen, if I want to shoot Alan a quick message, I would just go like that. And from there, I can just shoot him a quick message. It's that simple. So yeah, guys, this is definitely a cool application to go ahead and download. It's called Gesture Magic from the Google Play Store. It's free. It should work with any other Samsung device, but it works best with the Note 10, simply because the Note 10 has the S Pen as well. So as you can see here, it works pretty well. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.